Is 2025 the year your destiny takes a dramatic turn? The planets are aligning in ways we haven't seen in decades. And whether you are ready or not, these cosmic shifts will touch every part of your life: career, relationships, finances, and even spiritual growth. So, is 2025 your year? Let's find out. I'm Ria, your host, and you're listening to Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets, the space where we decode the timeless wisdom of the stars and uncover how planetary alignments shape our lives. Every year brings changes, but not every year carries such transformative power. In 2025, three major forces, Jupiter, Saturn, and the Rahu Ketu axis, are making impactful moves. Add to that a series of powerful eclipses, and you have got a recipe for life altering experiences. Think of it this way: the universe is handing us keys, but whether those keys open doors to growth, success, or lessons depend on how prepared we are. So let's walk through the biggest planetary transits of 2025 and see how they may shift your career, love life, finances, and spiritual journey. As your host, I want to start with Jupiter, the guru of cosmos, the planet of wisdom, blessings, and expansion. In May 2025, Jupiter moves into Gemini, the sign of communication, learning, and adaptability. Now, what does this mean? Expect a boom in education, media, publishing, AI, and tech industries. Students will find new opportunities for study abroad, research, and skill building. For professionals, networking and communication skills will become your biggest asset. But here's the catch: Jupiter in Gemini demands curiosity and flexibility. If you cling to rigid thinking, you may miss the blessings. If you embrace curiosity, knowledge sharing, and adaptability, Jupiter will reward you with growth and prosperity. Meanwhile, Saturn, the planet of karma and discipline, continues its slow and powerful transit through Pisces. Saturn in Pisces is like a wise teacher who says, you cannot escape reality even in the world of dreams. This is where you will see two things: a rise in spiritual practices, meditation, and inner healing, but also accountability in compassion. No more false spirituality, no more illusions. Saturn here tests whether our kindness and intuitions are grounded or just escapism. On a global level, Saturn in Pisces may bring focus on water resources, humanitarian causes, and the responsibility to heal collective wounds. On a personal level, it asks, are you walking your spiritual talk? Now here comes one of the most karmic shifts of the year: Rahu and Ketu changing signs in October 2025. Rahu in Pisces will pull our energy towards spirituality, creativity, and imagination, but also illusions and escapism. Expect sudden fascination with mysticism, art, or even altered states of consciousness. The challenge? To not get lost in fantasy. Meanwhile, Ketu in Virgo will push us to drop perfectionism, over-analysis, and unnecessary criticism. It wants us to simplify, detach, and focus less on the how and more on the flow. Together, this axis is like a spiritual tug of war: logic versus faith, order versus surrender. The lesson? Balance the two. And then, the cosmic wildcards, the eclipses of 2025. We have solar and lunar eclipses across Pisces, Virgo, and Libra. Eclipses are like energy resets. They open doors suddenly, they close old chapters quickly, and sometimes even dramatically. Careers may shift directions, relationships could face sudden endings or surprising beginnings. Health patterns may demand immediate attention. If you have felt stuck in recent years, 2025's eclipses may break you free. But remember, the universe doesn't always ask politely. Sometimes it shakes us awake. So let's put it all together and know how these transits affects different areas of our life. For career and finances, Jupiter's Gemini transit brings opportunities through networking, communication, and adaptability. If you are in media, tech, or education, this is your time. For relationships, eclipses in Libra and Pisces will reset partnership. Some bonds will deepen while karmic ties may dissolve. For spiritual growth, with Saturn and Rahu both influencing Pisces, the call to inner awakening is stronger than ever. Many will feel drawn to meditation, healing practices, or even uncovering past life karmas. For personal growth, Ketu in Virgo asks us to stop over-perfecting life and instead embrace surrender. Flow over control will be the mantra. So, is 2025 your year? The truth is yes, if you are ready to grow, adapt, and embrace the changes. The planets are offering breakthroughs, but they are also demanding responsibility. Jupiter expands, Saturn tests, Rahu tempts, and Ketu liberates, and together they write the script of 2025. The question is, will you rise with the cosmic tide or resist it? So this was another episode from Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe, share, and stay connected. And if you'd like to know exactly how these planetary shifts will affect your birth chart, stay tuned or visit astrobhava.com. Remember, 2025 is not just another year, it's a year of transformation. And the stars, they are waiting to guide you.